Tiffany and welcome to another motivational video. I'm going to be organizing and decluttering spaces in my kitchen, so come along with me so we can declutter our pantries, spice cabinets, and utensil drawers. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. So I was in need of a new utensil holder, so I went on Amazon and looked around, and I came across this one that's supposed to be a space saver as you stack in the utensils on top of each other, which is absolutely amazing, and it's under $10. If you're like me and you live in a tiny home with tiny spaces, I would highly recommend getting this little gadget. It's absolutely awesome, and I will try to link it below. I was kind of shocked at all the things that I found in my utensil drawer. You would think that getting into a drawer multiple times a day, you would notice these things, but I really had not noticed that I had several screwdrivers, a flashlight, and some other utensils, or tools, that my husband had put in that drawer for easy access. was very happy with the final result. It did not take me very long at all to accomplish this task. I had it in my head that it was going to be this long drawn out process, but it was super fast and super easy. The only thing I would like to change in the future is that I would like all the baskets to match in color. Okay, so next up on our to-do list was the spice cabinet. It came together super quick and it was very easy. The only trouble that I had was to find a spice cabinet that fit in the space that I had. So I had to do some measuring and looking on Amazon, and I finally come across this one and it turned out great and I love it. I will try to link it below if I can figure out how to do that and find the exact one or one like it. I was kind of shocked that I didn't have any spices that were outdated that I had to throw away. I only had a few duplicates, which was fine. There was a couple times I had to order online at Walmart and I had to order them in bulk. But so I just put the backup spices in my pantry because I didn't have room to have everything elevated and to be able to see each individual thing as I liked with the duplicates. So I just put those in my pantry and then I can just pull those out when I need them. Alright, so we saved the biggest task for last, and let me tell you, taking all the stuff out of your pantry, wiping it down, checking dates, all that is very time consuming, but it's very rewarding in the end, and I'm so glad I got it done. I think overall it took me about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to complete. I was very exhausted after all of this.
On my timeline. So you picture on my timeline.
Okay, friends, so I'm gonna have to stop there because my kitchen table is so full and I don't want to get myself, like anxious or like overwhelmed by all this. So I'm going to take a section at a time. I'm going to try to do like the baking goods on one, dry goods on a shelf, the canned goods on a shelf, and then like the backup like condiments and stuff like that on a shelf. So let's see what we do now. Okay, so there's my kitchen table already. That's mainly just dry goods and baking goods. So I'm gonna stop there and go through some of this and see what kind of organizational bins I'm going to need. And I also wanted to add, this was not staged or anything like this. This is real life. I've got no lies to tell you here. So I just wanted to put that out there. I didn't want people to think, well, Lee, she just piled that up just for the sake of a video, but that is absolutely not true. So I'm trying to think of something to do with all these storage bags, because we do like freezer things. We fish a lot, so we freeze our fish, and you buy meat in bulk, so you put them in freezer bags and whatever, and then Joey packs his lunch, so we have a lot of sandwich bags. So I'm trying to think of something to use to make this not look so bad and to take up less room. If you've got any suggestions, please leave it below. happy that I was able to mark this one off the to-do list. At the very end, I was so shocked, and it was kind of sad at how much plastic that I had to throw away just from opening boxes, package sizes, different things like that, that products or food or whatever goods come in. It's really kind of heartbreaking to see all that waste that we have just from buying our food or products or whatever. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some motivation as well. Please like, comment, or subscribe below. And if you also organized and decluttered spaces in your kitchen, you can find me and tag me on Instagram. I would absolutely love that. And I hope you guys are having a great day.